National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern LaPorte County in northwest Indiana, northwestern Marshall County, Indiana, southwestern St. Joseph County, Indiana, northeastern Stark County in northwest Indiana until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time at 7:38 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A line of severe thunderstorms was located along the line extending from LaPorte to Kingsford Heights to 5 miles east of La Crosse and moving east at 30 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 80 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Flying debris will be dangerous to people and animals. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Severe thunderstorms will be near Knox and Hamlet around 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Walkerton around 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Coates Lake around 8:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time. North Liberty around 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Lakeville around 9:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Plymouth around 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the warning include Stillwell, Fish Lake, Grovertown, Crumstown, Oak Grove, Tyner, Tea Garden, Donaldson, La Paz, and Twin Lakes. This is an extremely dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. To report severe weather, post your information on the National Weather Service Northern Indiana Facebook page, or you can post on Twitter with the hashtag #NWSIWX. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, or 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: LaPorte, Marshall, St. Joseph, and Stark.
Well, I will say you got this walker shirt. You're not going out.
This is my third doubleheader, Mom.
The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for east central Fulton County, Indiana, southern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, northwestern Wabash County, Indiana, western Whitley County, Indiana, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a line of severe thunderstorms was located along the line extending from North Webster to Pierceton to Akron and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles and crops is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Severe thunderstorms will be near Tri-Lakes around 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North Manchester around 9:05 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. South Whitley around 9:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the warning include Etna, Moon Lake, Goose Lake, Lowell, Silver Lake, Lorraine, Sydney, Collimer, and Liberty Mills. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, post your information on the National Weather Service Northern Indiana Facebook page, or you can post on Twitter with the hashtag #NWSIWX. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Kosciuszko, Wabash, and Whitley. This is no weather.